In this video, we're going to explore how we can assign the border colors to specific directions. And what we're going to do is we're going to use the property border top color, where we can assign the top line here with a specific color. So let's start and explore how to do this. So once we have the property, we're going to give this property border dash top, then we say color, and then here we're going to give the following declaration. We're going to give it a color. Let's give this a color red for now. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to comment out this item. And let's save this. And once we save it and refresh, you can see now the top color has been red, and all the other colors around here becomes by default a black color. And the reason why is this is a default setting, because if we don't assign a color, it will automatically get a color. Alright, so this is quite useful, and in the next video we're going to figure out how we can do the other directions as well. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video here. You will probably enjoy this as well.